How to turn off Opera Mini notifications. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn off Opera Mini notifications easy and fast. So first thing you have to do, go to Opera Mini. Now this is the home page. Go down here and click on this little option and click here. Now scroll down until you find notifications option. And here is it right here. Now after you find it, click on it and you can now from here disable the Opera notifications. It's very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.